Allure Sport is a mild yet dynamic fragrance that embodies sporty elegance with its fresh, spicy, and woody elements to create a refined and energetic scent. It opens with a vibrant burst of citrus from orange and mandarin enhanced by the clean, bright touch of aldehydes. The heart features refreshing C notes, sweet and floral neroli, and a spicy kick of pepper evoking an aquatic and lively character. The base is warm and sensual with vanilla, amber and musk adding smoothness, while tonka bean, vetiver and cedar provide earthy, woody depth. This combination creates a sophisticated and invigorating fragrance perfect for daily wear or active lifestyles. Performance elements of Allure Sport. Longevity. Allure Sport offers good longevity, typically lasting between 8 to 12 hours on the fabric. The warm base notes of vanilla, amber, and musk help it maintain a presence throughout the day, especially during physical activity or warm weather. Sillage. The fragrance has moderate sillage. It projects well during the initial stages, particularly with the citrus and aldehyde top notes, but settles into a more subtle and closer as the day progresses. It creates a noticeable aura without being overwhelming, making it suitable for both casual and semi-formal occasion. Season. Allure Sport is perfect for spring and summer due to its fresh and aquatic elements. The citrusy notes and floral heart are ideal for warmer weather, offering a refreshing and uplifting scent. It can also work well during mild fall days. Occasion. This fragrance is versatile and works well for both casual day wear and sporty activities. Its clean, fresh and invigorating profile makes it suitable for gym sessions, outdoor activities, and even casual office environments or daytime social events. Type. Allure Sport is a fresh, spicy, woody fragrance blending citrus, aquatic, and spicy notes with a warm, woody base. The balanced combination gives it a dynamic yet mild character, appealing to those who enjoy sporty yet sophisticated scents. Style. It embodies a sporty elegance with an energetic and polished feel. The fragrance is perfect for those who want to convey a sense of freshness, confidence, and activity without compromising on refinement. Mood. Invigorating, confident, and fresh. The combination of citrus, aquatic, and woody notes evokes a sense of energy, vitality, and sophistication, making it perfect for individuals with an active lifestyle. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar. Apply half a milliliter per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only. And do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.